guys, I'm Oleg Fomenko. I'm co-founder and CEO of Sweat Economy. Sweat Economy is a Web3 branch of a business that we started in 2014 called Sweat Coin. As name suggests, we wanted to be on blockchain back then, but there was only Bitcoin blockchain. Too slow, too cumbersome, we couldn't build. And we could only move onto blockchain in 2022. And now we have 16 million token holders. Sweat is the 9th widest held asset in the world of crypto. And our Sweat wallet, non-custodial mobile application on iOS and Android, has 3 million active users. And our mission is to make your physical activity, your movement, more and more valuable. We know it's valuable. We don't have a price on it. And this is exactly what we're doing for millions of users around the world. Sweat, our crypto token, as I said, was launched in 2022. What you can do with it is you can win rewards. You can put them into what we call grow jars, which is, I guess, in a crypto native parlor would be staking. You can engage with our community. Some of the biggest DAO votes that happen in the world, we run them. We had one vote where 383,000 people who thanked our token, Sweat, have voted in order to make a decision on the future of token economics. And that's not all, as Sweat Wallet is about to become an omni-chain wallet. Sweat is going to be a universal gas token on any chain, which means you will literally be able to pay your fee on any chain with your feet, because Sweat is earned by your walking. And the reason why it's valuable is because everyone knows that your movement is valuable, and by tokenizing it, we are starting to create what's called movement economy. Think of it as attention economy, which is worth $7 trillion, but around physical activity. Why are we confident that movement economy is happening? Is because attention is very similar to physical activity. Both valuable to you, both are valuable to third parties that are willing to pay for it, and both are scarce. And if we, humanity, manage to create $7 trillion economy around paying attention, what stops us from creating multi-trillion-dollar economy around your physical activity? That's what we do, and that's the role of Sweat, to tokenize your physical activity and power all of those value exchanges with insurers, with healthcare providers, with employers, ultimately with governments, because all of them benefit. If you're physically active, you're going to live longer, you're going to be more productive. And even on the most cynical sense, governments benefit because you're going to be active, economically active for longer, and they're going to make more tax revenues out of that. That is if they don't care about your livelihood and they just want you to have long and happy, productive life. I get frequently asked, oh, is it like a stipend? Yes, with several differences. First of all, we actually created what used to be known Move to Earn because we started in 2014. Stepan came on stage in 2022. We have massive scale. As I mentioned, we have 16 million token holders and 3 million actives. The reason for it is because we're not targeting crypto natives that already have a lot of assets and can buy those expensive NFTs in order to earn. Our app is free. You don't need to buy an NFT at the door in order to go and play. Anyone can do it. And our philosophy that I just described is very different. It is not about monetizing you and making you pay for the people that will come later on, because when you buy an NFT at the door and you plan to earn more, that money can only come from other people buying NFT at the door. We don't have that model. We don't have a Ponzi scheme. We are making your movement valuable because there are a lot of parties other than you at the door that can and should pay for the value of your physical activity. If you have one of these, just open App Store, or if you're on Android, open Google Play and install Sweat Wallet. It's a free app. That's it. And start moving. If you want to monetize your physical activity, you might need to add Sweat Coin but you can actually use Sweat Wallet even without Sweat Coin. This is just a non-custodial wallet. But to tokenize your physical activity and pay your fees with your feet, you might want to throw in Sweat Coin as well. Telegram, Twitter, probably Twitter is one of the best platforms to engage me. I am OLEG_FAM, Oleg Fem, or find Sweat Economy and you will see me very, very engaged with the community over there. Telegram, is another channel. We also have very, very busy Discord, Sweat Economy. Just search for Sweat Economy on any platform and you will find us. And as I said, apps are free. Just come and join. We are looking to partner with other products and services and apps that are building for millions of users, because we know that consumer crypto is the next biggest wave that we're going to see. It all used to be about chains and about tribalism around those chains. The future of Web3 is in assets and in products that are serving millions and millions of users. We love partnering with ambitious, large-scale projects because you know what? We can actually help our users to learn about you, and you will, introduce us to your users, making everyone stickier and making everyone more engaged into the world of Web3. And with our help, it's not just about money. We can also bring the element of health and wellness into the business that you are building, and making your community, kind of more engaged and more mindful about what they do with their mind and with their body as they are, engaging with Web3. We're making you basically healthier and wealthier at the same time.